If you really want your money to grow, you need to build an email list. This list will be your best friend and you can eat off this list forever. Welcome back to Sauce and Methods TV, where we share a trillion ways to get money. Subscribe right now and like to his video. Now let's get into the sauce. How to stack paper with an email list. The Hustler's Guide. Alright, listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious game on how to turn that email list into straight cash flow. You've been building up that list, collecting names like they're rare vinyls, but now it's time to flip it and make that money. 1. Know your audience. You can't just hit up everyone with the same pitch. Segment your list like a playlist, group them by interests, needs, and vibes. Tailor your messages to hit them right where it counts, like a beat that drops just right. 2. Craft fire content. Your emails gotta be like mixtapes, fire from start to finish. No one wants to open a whack email, so make sure your subject lines are hooks that get them to click. Give them value, whether it's tips, exclusive deals, or something they can't get anywhere else. Make them feel like they're in the VIP section. 3. Promote. Don't pester, you're selling, but don't be that pushy guy. Make your offers slick, like a well-executed freestyle. Whether you're pushing a product, service, or affiliate link, it's gotta feel natural, like it's just what they need right now. 4. Automate the grind. You ain't got time to be sending each email one by one. Set up automated sequences that drip out content over time. This way, you're making money while you sleep, passive income, like royalties. 5. Analyze and adjust. Keep an eye on your stats. See what's working and what's not. If something's not hitting like you want, remix it. Tweak your strategy and keep it moving. 6. Monetize multiple ways. Don't just rely on one stream of income. Offer different products, partner up with brands for sponsorships, and use affiliate marketing. Multiple revenue streams mean you're not just relying on one track to go platinum, you've got a whole album of hits. And here's the plug: if you're looking to fast track this, you can always cop an email list. Just make sure it's legit, so you're not wasting your time on fake addresses. Once you've got that list, the world is yours. That's the blueprint. This has been another video from Sauce and Methods TV. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now go get that paper, and I'll see you on the next video.